Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Mazda BT50, stock number 6232. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 8th 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.